Today we are presenting a project that is the blind stick. The project consists of Arduino Uno, that is the main controller of this project that controls the project, and consists of ultrasonic sensor that detects the project.
This project consists of an ultrasonic sensors that detects an object and when send the data to Arduino Uno, and then the Arduino Uno sends the data to buzzer and the buzzer beeps when there is an object.
When there is an object, the buzzer beeps with a sound that alerts the user and change the path. And again, when there is an obstacle, the buzzer beeps and signals that we have to change the path.